Welcome to SoFi Academics, where I teach you guys how to budget, save, and invest so you can free up debt to build generational wealth. Go to SoFiAcademics.com to start your budget today. You can cop the latest merch. You get the Bitcoin to the Moon t-shirts. We see Bitcoin is down 25%, and Bitcoin is currently at 84,000. Hit an all-time low this year. It was at 106,000 earlier in January. It's a great time to be buying Bitcoin as we pull down to the lower. And I anticipate this move in Bitcoin staying around this 75 to 85,000 range. Anything within that range is a great time to keep buying and loading up on Bitcoin. Ethereum is currently 54% down from its all-time high, 4,500, and it's currently sitting at $2,304, and it's even lower than where we've seen it at previously these last few weeks, where it's at 2,700. And Ethereum is a great one to buy as we push back up to that 4,000. So if we buy right now, we get a chance to 50% return and double what we put in. Solana is currently 55% down from its all-time high of $300. So Solana is currently at $137 right now, and it's been on a huge sell-off ever since the new year. And you want to pick up stocks in this correction. This is a huge correction right now. So if we buy right now Solana, we have a chance to ×2 whatever we put in, and we continue riding back to all-time highs with Solana. MicroStrategy is at a great buy zone right now. It's currently at $250, and we done broke out to a whole new level of support, and I caught this one having more downside, and now it's in an area where it's going to be a huge demand. The market size is half lower than what it is. It dropped 54%, and it's currently down $295 from its all-time high. I want to look at this stock right here long term. Would be a good one to start building up a portfolio. Even if putting in 50, 10, 100, 1,000 in, whatever I will start investing in, I will start with this one where it's at right now. Coinbase is down 41% from its all-time high, and it's currently down $143. And we see in the last 53 days that this stock has been down in this nice little range, and it finally broke support, meaning that it broke this range and it dropped lower. And this is a great sign to pick this stock back up. We see ARK Investments poured millions of dollars into this stock, sold some of her ETF stocks to pour into Coinbase, and I'm going to load up on Coinbase from now. Mara, the Marathon Digital, the mining company that mines Bitcoin, is down 60% from its high from November, and now November rally. It's down $18 in the last 89 days. And we see that this stock has a lot of potential to grow back to the upside. I mean, whatever we put in right now, we got a chance to double, and it's a low affordable stock for us to start buying and putting our capital in and start building a long-term portfolio or even some call options. Tesla is currently down 43% from its all-time high from where it was in November. The last 72 days that Tesla's been down $210. So this one is a great play to put on long calls and options, as we anticipate Tesla can go down even more to 260 to 250 range. Will be even better price to buy in, so we can get a 500% return option or a 50 to 100% return on investment from holding the stock. So whatever we put in now, we got the guarantee to double what we put in by buying Tesla at this area of value right now with this high demand of this price where Tesla is at from the huge sell-off. AMD is currently down 55%, and we've seen it down $125 from the rally it was in March 2024, all-time high that it hit. And we see the last 356 days that this stock has been down, and currently at a great price right now, $99, under $100 a share for this company. And it was trading at $250 last year, and this one is continued buy right now just because the demand for AI chips will continue to grow as more AI gets more developed and tested and secured. Quantum computing, QUBT, is currently down 78% from its all-time high, and we've seen it down $20 from the being the rally that it started in December. So right now is a great time to buy this stock right now as it's beat up and almost down almost 100%. Where if they get this stock down here to $5 or $5, that is a huge squeeze where the stock is going to reverse and pull up to the back to the upside to start that uptrend. Super Microcomputer, for the last 7 days, it's been down 36%, fell down $24 in its all-time high of $67. And right now, at SMCI, Super Microcomputer, the one that funds servers for NVIDIA, is going to be a great one to buy as we push back up. In this rally, we started from all the way to $28, I told you guys to get in. Now we pushed up to 66, and I told you anytime this stock comes down to $40 to $50 range will be a great one to keep buying if you missed buying at 28. So right now it's a one to keep dollar cost average. One of the best dividend stocks, Qualcomm, just fell down. It's on sale currently at $154. I mean, I see Qualcomm down all-time high that it was in 2024. It's down 30%. Last 255 days is down $70. And this stock, you can get profits from the stock moving up and from dividends that it gives out to its investors. And this one has a pretty high dividend yield for people that invest into the company, about 85 cents a share. So I like this stock where it's at. I would not mind buying dollar cost average and where it's at right now. GameStop fell down 30% from the high that it was at $34 in the last 61 days. We see that it's down for the time right now in this correction, that GameStop is going to be making moves into buying Bitcoin. They said it was thinking about pouring $5 billion that it made from the whole short squeeze last year, and it's throwing it into Bitcoin. And you want to keep an eye on this stock at this level, because one day a huge momentum can go back to the upside like that. For the last 826 days, Nike has been down 61%, and it fell down 61% from its all-time high. And we see that this stock is getting huge beat up for the last 2 or 3 years. And you want to pick up Nike stock, as we see that it's near the bottom, and we're seeing that it's staying strong around the $68 to $80 level. And we just want to keep dollar cost averaging for the next 6 months as we push back to $170, $200. And that's going to cap it off for today's video. I just want to let you guys know that don't fear just because the market is in fear right now. We see that the fear and greed is huge, really in fear right now. People selling off, people saying crypto's a scam again. Something happens, they might say there's a hack or outage in the company or something like that. That's the best time where you guys can make life-changing opportunities to get out of debt. So whenever we look at the markets are down in red this whole week, every day is losing, your portfolio is down thousands or hundreds of dollars. Guys, it's time for you to pour back in there so you can factor in and grow your capital over time with compound interest. So we always want to have money aside just in case days like this happen, where we see Bitcoin is down 22% for the last 3 months, or we see stocks are down 50% from the all-time high. It's time that the sell-off has to happen in order to start a new trend. So always going to be an uptrend and a downtrend, but the most important time for you to be invested is in a downtrend, because you have to be down before you go up. I need you guys to make sure you go to Soulful Academics and check out the latest content that we have. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. And further than that, we out. Love you guys.